Okay. I think I'm back. I think I'm back. I hope it doesn't crash again. I really hope it doesn't crash again. I don't know what happened. Gosh. I really hope it doesn't happen. Oh my god. Hello? Hello? Huh. Hello? Are we back? And then again, I think most people are like either busy or hey Rosie? Rosie? Twitch stream is being weird. Why is my signal bad? OBS doing its thing, Magic Mirror is doing its thing. What? Get out of here. Odd. TV/failure. Gosh, I want to continue my dev and not like debugging the stream right now. Huh. Come on. Come on. Are we good? Hello? Are we good? Oh. Why is it, Okay. That's weird. Why is my connection to Twitch horrible? Hmm. That's absolutely unfortunate. Huh.
Being very soft.
Okay. Yeah, hold on. My connection to Twitch is being horrid right now.
Meow?
My connection to Twitch is being horrid right now.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Cool. Should I push my, rather, should I pull the grabber into main?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Let's just make sure that everything is saved, everything is pushed. Okay, branch.
Okay.
Oh, now I have to figure out how to do this.
Like, this is just network
There's a merge
lag.
request.
There you go. I don't know why, but I had to change stream servers.
Oh.
Yeah. Like
That's a concern.
the optimized one that I connect to usually is like not being good right now. But I'm back with a bit more delay due to that, but we continue, I suppose. It's annoying though on the YouTube side of things. Like, it ended the stream.
Oh, that is annoying.
So I had to edit this one. Okay, give me a moment and then we'll continue. Well, I'll continue. Rosie can do her thing. Stream should be great now. Good. That's good. That's good.
Merged.
I'm glad. Okay. Okay, now that is settled.
Now I actually accidentally closed Godot. Let's make sure that I'm on the right Godot. I am doubly sure that I'm on the right Godot.
Are you sure you're on the right Godot? Are you not? Are you sure you're not on Dogo?
Let me close. Let me close this again just to make sure.
Okay. I have pushed my changes as well for the receptacles.
I think I already grabbed it from main. Okay. So, the next step for the grabber. On click, and when there is a particle, grab the particle, which implies stopping movement of the particle. The position of the particle must then become the position of the claw.
Yes.
Or the square.
There's a function on the particle itself called freeze. Sorry, what do you call this? Particle freeze, which freezes the particle for you to freely grab and move.
Okay.
It will turn into a thing that allows you to yeah, it's just gonna be like suddenly an immovable object. It's gonna end up static ish. Meanwhile, I'm gonna figure out friggin' this input zone not detecting the mouse.
So what about the position of the particle? Do I just update the... Can I just... So once I have a particle, how does that work for this particular? Okay, going back to my brief lessons in this, the parent, oh gosh, that is a thing on the ceiling. I'm going to ignore that for now.
Yeah.
Curse my horrendous eyesight. Things are not so. The parent is supposed to control the children.
Yes.
But in this case, the parent is the parent node 2D. Which does actually have a, what is the, oh. There's just a blank script.
Oh, yeah. It's my test node 2D thingy.
So would the proper way of doing this be to have the grabber send a signal to the node 2D that would then dictate the particles? Or is the area 2D going to give me the particle that I grabbed?
The area 2D has a signal that will tell the node 2D the particle that is currently hovered over.
Okay, so... Okay. And then, so the node 2D is going to be controlling the grabber, or it's going to be controlling the particle's position, and it's going to be setting it to where the grabber hand is.
Alternatively, the grabber can manipulate it, so... And not necessarily the whole game itself. Did I confuse you? Let's see.
It's not that you confused me, it's that my brain is starting to become half functional.
Oh. All good.
Because it is currently 4 a.m.
Look, if you need to take a break, you can. I'll just tackle a lot of the things like UI and stuff, and like make sure that those variables work.
I'm just trying. I just want to make sure that I understand what I'm doing to do it, to like be doing it properly, because this is admittedly my first time getting into the properly implementing signals. I want to make sure that the signals are... So, I could have the grabber manipulate... I could have the grabber be manipulating the particle, and that's not improper?
Yeah, it's not improper. In fact,
so the particle...
You could even make the grabber... what do you call this? You could even make the particle... a child of the grabber.
No, I don't think so. That doesn't make sense to me, at least in terms of the hierarchy.
Well, yeah, but you absolutely can change the parent of a particle, of a node.
As in on the fly, change the parent?
Yeah.
Oh, how do you do that?
Rosie.
Okay, sorry.
Look.
Yep. I'm looking. Okay, so we have the signals. Yep. Set child. Set child and node dot reap. Okay.
You could even, that's also a thing. That's what I do with the particle spawner. It the particle spawner removes the parent.
I see.
So it's not visible in the tree anymore.
Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense to me. Don't think I understand how to implement it right now, but that makes sense to me. Look, it works.
Yeah, it works. We could oh wait, it's
it's very pixelated.
It's your screen. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
I didn't grab your alt grabber.
Game starting.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
Look at the things. That's where all the changes are. Okay.
Yeah. Just copy the receptacles and then just well, copy these objects too. I suppose like this control. But,
okay.
Yeah, we're putting it together slowly but surely.
So, the grabber. I'm sorry for like repeating it a lot. I'm just
don't worry.
So the grabber, you click, you hover over a particle, you click. The click causes so the click will somehow tell the particle to reparent to the grabber.
Yes. And then you could set its position to 0, 0.
And then it will
locally.
just be held on the grabber.
Yeah, it'll be just held on the grabber. Then you can retract.
I do kind of like that the particles are just moving. Or the particles just go into their holes.
Yeah. It'll be
Because I do think that that's interesting in a you have to start trying to you're manually trying to maintain it.
Yeah.
And I think that's interesting.
Oh, if you want to use the receptacle, the particle spawner, do comment out 21 and 22.
Okay.
Because input zone is not responding.
Input zone is not responding and must be closed. We are sorry for the inconvenience.
Area 2D not detecting the mouse.
Yeah, I don't think I don't. My brain wants to sleep. I don't think I have more energy to do things right now.
That is all right. Do you want me to just go ahead, or we can just call it quits here?
You can keep going ahead.
I'll for the most part, I think I'll just like set up the Steam. I'll set up the like UI stuff mostly.
You can keep going ahead if you don't mind me at least trying to do things when I wake up.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely.
Because I apparently am going to be working very slowly, and I feel yeah.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I will definitely like leave out some stuff for you to work with, and stuff. Like give me the things that require work once
you're done for me to do things.
Mm-hmm.
Good night.
Good night. And there goes the Rosie. Found it out. It was the control. Or type that to Rosie. And how many hours in RV? It's like 4 hours already. But yeah. And I think I want to create call there it goes. Okay. So now, without much of Now without Rosie, I will definitely go on ahead with a bunch of stuff. Right now, I kinda don't want to spam click the screen to spawn things, so I'm gonna do that first. For the particle set. So we're gonna get the input zone, and hopefully we can get the area in the input zone. Area to the where is the overlapping bounds? Methods has overlapping body. No. Try recast 2D, recast array to a point to check if it's allowed to get in there. Recast 2D. I can do that. Put that there. So I'm gonna like do a random range within the viewport. While test caster dot position. Z equals 2 vector 2 Hmm. Particle. Okay. There you go. Nice. Okay. Be right back for a small bit. Okay, I'm back. Hello. So the second stream is actually the second stream is actually a result of my PC crashing. So that's yeah. Also, I don't know why it's highlighted orange on your end. That is a you thing. But yeah, also since last time, after a bit, Rosie had to go to sleep because it's actually like 4 a.m. for her. I mean, that's what we have so far. Anyway, yeah. So, whoa. Queen Beam Soul, thank you for the raid. Oh my goodness. That was a shocker for me. Anyway, welcome readers. My name is Kyra. I hope you all have a nice day. And today is the GMTK Game Jam, and I am doing a I am making a game. The beams jump scare, yeah. Absolutely. Oh, things are going well. Things were going a bit kind of smoothly until like my graphics card crashed. So like we just recovered from that. But yeah, things have been great. And this is what we have so far. It just looks like a coin sorter. To be honest, and I could add more coins, but no, it's actually like engine balancing thing actually. And now that's set up, I can finally remove this test caster. Actually, I don't think I even need this test caster here. I just need to initialize the test caster from code. So let's try doing that. Raycast 2D, raycast 2D.new, and then set it up so that it from inside is true, and then add it as child, and then it should just work. Yeah! Now there's a raycaster over there. I need to also change the target position. Target position equals vector 2.0. And then I can just delete it after. Just like that. And no one has to know that it existed for like a few milliseconds. There you go. Free reliance. It didn't exist, chat. It didn't exist. And now I need to figure out ratios. Ratios. Because that hot cold bar needs to be set up. I think the hot cold bar has a max value, and that could be just can I just sum? What do you call this? Yeah. And someone hash insert. Actually, yeah, well, is it all? Guilds of each element returns callable, but print, unless you're not using lambda function. Is it reduce? Yeah. Yeah. I just need to just copy this, to be honest. Like that's exactly what I needed. Globals type count dot reduce. If accumulated is null, the first undistributed means as accumulated. Closing doesn't have an open counterpart. Yeah? And then what value type hot. That should do it. Yeah, there you go. Though maybe it should be maybe we should be counting all of the particles, maybe? Or should it just track the balance, actually? We don't know yet. Though honestly, I need to detach all of these. From okay. I should it'll just be a mobile game, so yes, I'll give it a try once it's released. Sadly, it's not going to be a mobile game. I just don't have the build tools for it for Android, and I can only do Android. iOS is hell to even do a test build on. Not gonna lie. Hello, Shiny Hunter Destroyer. Hope you're having a nice day. Still, it's nice to support the little guys. True. Okay, maybe I should have a particles parent. So I can count the particles. Okay, yeah. I think I should set up the I'm gonna refactor some of these code because a bunch of it can be I was doing Darren's post and I was thinking this game jam was kind of longer than most I'm aware of. Yeah, usually the game jam lasts for 48 hours and this one is 96, so 4 days. Either usually it's a 2, 3 or a week kind of game jam, and I think 4 is a right amount, I say, for this kind of event. Because you have the 48-hour sprint, if you're treating it as such, and then after that, you can just like polish and improve and squash bugs and yeah, I say it's pretty nice. Okay, I am gonna do this. Create a new UI, attach a script. Yeah, I was thinking like it sounds like you can get something more nice as an end submission. Exactly. Hey, Matthew. Hope you have a nice day. Okay. Now we're doing it like this. I want the signal to that's emit a signal that a particle is received. Solo game jam? No, I do have a partner. Currently, it's actually 4 a.m. at her place. Well, gonna be 5 now. And she's actually resting for the night. I am doing a bit of extra stuff before I also end for the day. But yeah, let me show you what we have at the moment. Right now it looks like utter chaos. And you're supposed to be able to like grab these particles and sort them on your own, but also the chaos of dealing with them right now. The theme of the game jam is loop, so we're actually trying to keep a steam engine together. There's that one person who over decorates their game. They somehow win because of it. And just why? It's because okay, sometimes your game can be crappy and be beautiful at the same time, and that's because you can absolutely tailor to visuals, right? So like oh gosh, this gameplay sucks, but the effects are really, really cool, and that also grabs attention, you know. And then there's also on the other end where gameplay is really good but really shite. So it's a fair balance, honestly. Like a lot of my games are like in the midpoint, I say. But this is a bit more ambitious than normal because it's a 4-day game jam, you know? Then yeah, honestly, I'll and I think I see a Godot corner in the Godot logo in the corner. Yay! Yeah, it's this Godot. Is your jam partner also streaming too? Just curious. No. She's not a she's no streamer. We do have the titular icon.svg over here. I can't open it. Hubble. Function ready. How confusing must the coding be? Not at all if you know what you're keeping track. Cause like at the end of the day, it's a lot of logic, right? And And Godot is really friendly enough to be really powerful, I'd say. Hot cold bar. Should be particle balance bar. I'm starting to learn Godot slowly, so when I also have to dev for my job, I kind of get burned out easily. Well, yeah. As long I think for me, like, I tend to separate work programming and hobby programming. The reason why I can do both at the same time sometimes is that like, instead of like I have to like program again, it's not that my mindset is like, I hate programming this thing. Let me program what I want, and now I am able to program what I want, and that honestly, that keeps me going. I'm excited to program my own code for my things. Well, and also do note that everything that every person has their own ways of coping thing. It makes me excited to, you know, try out all of my things as not programming. Is this just a hobby, or is this what you actually do for a living? I am a primarily an artist. So I make my living mostly as an artist, not necessarily a game dev. But I am still a game dev. Okay, where are we? The receptacles, you know, it emits a particle, and then the UI receives the I'm gonna export that. Actually, I'm gonna export receptacles. Oh, sorry, that should be a node 2D. And then receptacles dot what's the name of signal again? Particle received. Particle received not connect. Oh. Let's see it. Function. I do game jams sometimes, is definitely when I do game jams, I always want to try something new, and this is honestly kind of quirky and unique. I haven't done a physics-based simulation before. A physics-based puzzle, I think. what make game jams fun is that group experience. Right? So the one that takes place in a train. there's a train game jam. There's a game jam that takes place on a train. Honestly, that sounds really cool, actually. I absolutely would, because I like the feeling of chilling in a train. Have you published any games? I do. Well, like no Steam releases or anything like that. And I'm not allowed to, you know. But yeah, I do have an itch page with the same username. It was started after that attempt to make a reality TV show of a game that was a train wreck. So they got together and rode a train and jammed on that train. That's cool. But yeah, let me link it here on Twitch. Oh yeah, on YouTube too as well. Why not? I don't think I'm allowed to link on YouTube actually. Oh, on YouTube, it's in the live stream description for YouTube. Yeah. Oh, save. I will save. Thank you. Thank you, Shadek. Appreciated. Okay. Gosh. Oh, ads in a bit. I will be continuing my work during ads, but don't worry. I'll still be here. And why is my motion tablet? There you go. Oh, particle balance bar index and type globals type value. I want you to save send type. You got the particles, claw physics, now what? The UI and Steam processing and stuff like that. But right now I need to rewire the UI at the moment. Critical. Oh, right here. Hope the game jam is going well. It is going good, decent. Not great, but decent. I say it's all right. Okay, where was I? So particles received blah 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 blah, and then it should just work, right? Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. we go. Okay, I'm back. That was what? That was odd. That was odd. Better decent than horrible. Exactly. Never strive for perfection. It will be your folly. It should just work. Nope. Oh, is it not? Because it's yeah, it's not. There you go. There it is. Twitch needs more Steam. Exactly. That's why we're making a Steam engine. Yeah, there you go. Now it's updating. And then we need to now track the number of particles on the bottom. So we're gonna go to the globals and then have a particle type. Twitch died and you went mute on YouTube. Never mind the YouTube problem, that was tab. Anyway, there we go. Anyway, just there. Ah! 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 Oh, thank you so much for the 21 months. Ah! Thank you so much. I can't do my emotes. I think my keyboard keybinds broke. It's fine. I can't do the reaction. I have to physically stretch my eyes out. Wow. Wow. No. It's not working today. 41! Almost 12, 20, 12, 20, 3 more months. And then 2 years. That'll be 2 years. Let's go. Yes. That's not type count, stored count. Particle count. Type -1. Does that mean the return of the crazy arms? I don't know. I don't know. Various color received. Particle count stored count. What was it? What was it? What was it? Kai, you're lapsing! Kai! Oh, there it is. A stored count. And then I need like text or something. No, not text. Label. Put up there. Center. That's fine. For now. Label, bar, quote label, hotbar, get node, There you go. And then actually I could just do this. Var index type get node of label text equals I'll call this var count because we're using it twice. Not a good idea to use the same code twice. And then undo honey that type int. Oh, turn that to string. I've typed more than anybody. I feel awful. Oh, that's because yeah, everyone's more on Twitch. Oh, there it is. Now it's accumulating. I want to move the cold label bar there and go. There you go. Now it's showing. Cool. Now we know actually how many is one side. Oh, I think I rather not have the counts show actually, but we will see. And then where's the particle script? Globals. Because I don't really use Twitch, not yet anyway. Well, that is totally fine there, Android Cat. I mean, I guess you could all alternatively ask others to watch. You will get more people to chat with. We have here. Where is it? In the receptacles. There it is. Particle one. Also, I'm gonna change the. Or it's a particle spawner. And go. I'll also put that there. I'm gonna have a constant here. Initial force. Sorry, should be. There you go. It should just work again, yeah. The red dots actually show all of the collisions. I never seen the red collision dots before actually. Okay. Oh, thank you, Tanmei. Hope you have a nice day. Where's the UI? There you go. Hey, Arabels. Hope you're having a nice day. Nice to see you. You're making game. Do you ever feel that when coding? Find it. I remember spending like 4 hours searching for that one thing, only to have it be a really easy solution. That happened quite a bit. Okay. Here's the particle. They're just globals. Particle total plus 1. And then function exit tree. Upon freeing scene changing or after calling remove child from the script and knows it's call last after all its children left the tree. Does it emit queue free? Renamed ready 3 exiting. Exit tree. Move called. Tree exited. Okay. Okay. And then go to the particle test spawner. I can just remove the... I don't have to remove anything. I think. Yes. Okay, so I want yes. Okay. Particle balance bar. That value. That value. Global dot globals dot type. No. Particle count. And we're only counting the heat. And the particle balance bar that max value is equals to globals that particle total. And let's get it. So, what do you mean? Oh, it's hot, not heat. Okay. Hot, and then that should just fix the particle count on the bottom. Yep. So you could see the different what? Nani? What's the globals total? Okay. Why is it 17? Yes, it starts at 13, 16, 13. Well, why is it 17? It should be... Interesting. You know what? What if I just... This is as a test. $975. Oh, you're removing twice. Eh? Ah. Okay. 27, 16. It's correct. 19. Interesting. Should be 8 now. Yeah, 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be 5. Yep, there you go. Now we have the heat and cold balance thing, in which I am gonna add a theme here. Theme overrides. Create new folder. Theme. I'm gonna add resource, and that should be style block, style box, flat. Okay. Wait, can I not use flat line marks texture? Single line given color, single line, not the other button shown and skew. Okay. Oh, wait. Hold on. Clear that. Texture. Texture should be a 1D gradient texture. Okay. Oh. Clear that. Should be 2D texture. Duplicate that. Make old one. Ugh. There you go. Now we could see looks a bit better now, is what I'm gonna say. And then I'll definitely like start adding like just color stuff make it look nicer. Game Jam Go Burr, also Godot, awesome, yeah, heck yeah. Godot's really nice. I prefer it way over Game Maker and Unity, not gonna lie. I tried both. Never, it doesn't scratch that itch. Where is it? Visibility. Oh, sorry, ordering. Kind of want to make a game screen from scratch and make a game from scratch engine to kind of documents processing. It's a really big undertaking. Make sure you have a if you're gonna make something like that, then you should really make sure that you have your roadmap laid out for you. Simple design, that's good. Yeah, it's something, you know. Also, the input zone is oh right. Ignore. Why are you still not? Are you also? Ignore. There you go. Area. There you go. That's my problem. ADHD keeps killing my interest in the planning phase of the medication soon, hopefully. Oh, I really hope you could get around to that. Because yeah, concentrating without the medication is really hard. It's just like, yes, physics system. Ooh, but I want to make things look nice. I need to work on UI first, and then, I do recall some advice. Unless you're doing something super niche like Noita, it might not be recommended. I absolutely agree. You would be torturing yourself. I really need to make a main scene kind of thing. I've grown to append an asterisk to that statement concept, at least. Yeah. Ugh. I should mask this out. Looking so good. Where's the particle though? Object particle. Using research and on a specific unit for gameplay, certain elements lack a particular polish. Yeah. Like pretty much. Like if you're going to like a lot of things that people forget, like when you're trying to go for game dev, is the idea of that. If you want, you have to have like a lot of people play your games. You also need to cater for the low end. UE makes it kind of trivial and annoying at the same time. People getting for each game was optimized for that game, yeah. But also, like when you're doing specialized call this, if you're doing specialized blah. If you're doing specialized engines, you have to consider like a lot more things than just you know, simple functionings. You also have to cater to so many things, rendering, UI, calculations like physics and all of that, and you're also forced to make your own tools. You're not given all of this, which is would be annoying. So like I prefer having this instead of instead of making it out of from scratch. Did I watch how? I did watch how you have to worry about more things like trying to. Yeah, exactly. Like, what if you're? I think it would be absolute hell when you're gonna try and port it to something like the Nintendo Switch or what do you call this? Yeah, Nintendo Switch or PlayStation or Xbox One, and well, I'm getting over with myself. I need to concentrate. I mean, there's like research for like for x86 to like a decent x86 emulator for ARM, right? Is this the gameplay? No, not yet. Where is it? Outline. You don't want you don't want the numbers going offset too much or not enough particles resulting in the engine to break. No, mismanaging your mismanaging your engine will cause it to break, like putting heat in cold and vice versa. Not having enough steam or letting one teeter to one side. Okay. Now I want we have a steam bar, and now we grabber, tether sprite. Management in a game? Mind blown. Oh my gosh. Now we need I call this. Where's my thingy? Not the energy bar. Like over here. Duplicate that. Manik. Bowl. Font sizes. Okay. center top. Okay. Signal. Theme changed. No. What I call this? Energy changed. Signal. Signal energy changed and distance change. Var distance. Float. I think float would be nice. Set. Distance changed. Limit signal. Okay. Set value, alternative syntax. Oh, okay. Yeah. Claire, what are some of your favorite video game genres? Platformer, puzzle, and rhythm. Total change it and set distance, steam, and energy. I was thinking rhythm games as a music album that counts with its own game. Not really. I can't completely agree with that. You're still wrong, Android Cat. On the spelling. Yes, that's how it's spelled. Okay. Distance stop. Okay. Oh. Ads in a bit. Okay. Good. I just need to test this if this is working. Steam energy and distance. This should just work. Yep. The progress bar on the energy is on the side. But I'm glad this is working. That concludes the test, and I need to make the main scene at least for this. Yeah, another one. That's the one that needs to do virtual integration. It should be like bottom to top, really. But yeah, let me change the value there. Not that one. Energy bar. Yeah. I guess I need the repair bar actually. Yeah, we need the damage bar.
just hope that someday someone would love me.
So how would you recover? Or is it like it recovers based on distance, kind of like Oregon Trail? No, you need to do something a bit drastic, I think. But I don't know what drastic that is yet. But basically, you have to like yeah, you kind of have to do a tricky thing to fix it. I guess like the best way to do it is like I guess like you should have like a high amount of cold compared to hot. So like it would like could do like the Russian do and beat the UI with a wrench. I want it to be controller friendly though. Okay. Damage bar not declared. That should be damage changed. Okay, cool. And then we have the what do you call this? I need a image, I think. Determine its steps. I think I need a panel for this. Put that here. And then I guess a color rectangle for now. Just dictates the time of day. It could also be a progress bar with a handle. Wait, no. There's a slider for that, actually. Where's it? Separator, spin box, texture, progress bar, slider. I put that horizontal slider. Right here. It's not editable. And team overrides. Create a new resource. Style box empty. It's just empty. And was it grabber area? bracket area to the left or bottom of the grabber. Yeah. There you go. Now we have a progress bar in a sense. I'm going to be cycle timer. Minutes 120. Oh. Yo! Welcome. Welcome. You're all having a nice day. I am lapsing who you are. Oh no. Soji! Yo! There you go. Hope you're having a nice day. How was stream? Looks like a very chill stream today for you. Insanity actually. Ooh, do tell. I have no information what you were doing. I really should check that on my end. Do tell, I'm interested. Where is it? Time left. Time left. What are you? Some repo, lots of debts. Oh my gosh. Good haul though? Did you get a good haul at least? Very good haul. Let's go. Time max. Float 120. Get the dosh. I haven't played repo much, but I bet it's fun. That was always actually really fun. Let's see. Yeah, I'm actually doing game jam today, and I will be continuing to streaming for the next 4 days. And yeah, I'm thinking about ending soon though. Yeah, but yeah, we're making game jam, and let me show you after this bit, because I need to time left changed. Left changed. Extraction games are good too. Kind of brought up the wrench idea too. Yeah, I don't know about the wrench idea. Like I said, I want it to be controller friendly, and clicking outside of the field is a bit too much for someone who has control over the who has a controller. They won't act fast enough, I say. Someone is attempting a solo run world record. I've seen someone who has gone through like 200 days, 200 nights in repo, and like like every move they do is freaking calculated. It's quite scary. Cycle timer value. Blur buff. From cycle timer min value to cycle timer max value to 1 minus 200 flights, 1 fear. I was thinking maybe over time you could like map to shoulder and have them bang it in rhythm, I suppose. That could also work, and like we could tie it to shift. Again, the wrench thing was a joke. I mean, it's a good idea though. Could be a good idea. It's like another wrench in the chaos, but I think I want it to be like something more active that you need to do than just like, oh, press, 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 press. So like, it's more like, oh gosh, oh, I have bad, I have like, oh gosh, my airship is in danger. I need to drastically change my strategy, and that strategy is like setting my my steam engine to cool down so it recovers. Something like that. I need to pass it through Rosie though, for sure. Okay, cycle timer mode 1 minus time left. Global stat time left divided by global stat time max. Okay, I need to you could all like it like doing it the way I said it, like, you know, setting it all to like high cold to recover, has like a pretty interesting exchange where you're not making much progress at all, and instead like and instead like taking the time to recover. So like either you go absolutely gung-ho, let your airship burn all the way to your destination, or, you know, take a bit of time. But also you can't stay for too long because you have the day timer falling, like you have like a limited time as well. So like you could absolutely either take risk or be careful. Globals. Let me set that to like 20 seconds. All right. Do take care, Soji. Have a good rest, and have a good food. Oh gosh, water and gamer energy liquid. Oh yeah, we got the timer. We got the timer. Nice. Cool. How do I mask this? I feel I should be able to mask this. I'm gonna mask this. Panel. Clip children. Clip only. There will be streams for the next 4 days, correct? Yes. Yes, there is. So you get to see this from start to finish. It's already looking interesting. I say. Okay. Okay. So I made sure that everything is ready. I'm gonna put these all in a separate scene. I'm gonna create new scene, create a main scene. I paste it all there. I like only see the signal because this Saturday I have done work. Oh, unfortunately, there's always the VOD though. Exactly. That's why the VOD exists, so you don't miss out. Eh? Nani? Nani? Receptacles. UI. Oh. Set that there. More particles in the input zone. More. I'm gonna put that input zone in there. Okay. Tethers and device. Right head and then the body. The body is oh no, the head is yeah, scenario 2D. Cool. I don't need all of these actually. I just drag the main scene, or rather yeah. It's kind of weird for me because I would be working for the last few days of the jam. Yeah, unfortunately. Oh! Fortnite Legend 639. Oh my gosh, thank you for the follow. Hope you have a nice day. I think I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna change that I'm gonna change that Godot thingy real quick. Where's the tether sprite? I'm gonna clear that, then create a gradient texture 2D. And just copy the gradient from no, who's in? I didn't realize that was the Godot head. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna change it for Rosie so it's so she doesn't suffer from Godot head syndrome. Tether. There is there. Okay. There you go. Tomorrow we're gonna make it look nice. For sure. We're gonna make it look nice for sure. But I'm getting tired, and also I am I also want to take the rest. The Godot doesn't look like a stress ball anymore. We by the way, we started from nothing from this, by the way. I'm saying by the way twice. I really need to stop saying by the way twice in a row. But yeah, I'm happy what we have so far. We don't really have the full core game loop planned yet because, well, we have Rosie working on the grabber, but yeah, tomorrow hopefully we can get these bars and the damage bar working, and hopefully we can absolutely crush this, and get everything working, and then by the third day hopefully I will be working on the menu and the interface a lot more, make it look nice, have the core gameplay play tested and all of that. Well, not publicly play tested and stuff like that. And yeah, I should probably push this. Everything Rosie needs. Rosie rested. Tied UI to variables. What else they do? Neater UI. Main scene. Other variables in play, and then neither UI main scene finally. What else? Temp files. So commit and push. Okay, and push that to main. And reset back to my main branch. Double check. Okay, there you go. Cool. Nice. Alrighty. I'm glad we're making a bit of progress and it's showing, and at least it doesn't look like bare bones and visual progress, you know. I was wondering, I never saw much of GitHub before. Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it on GitHub. Okay. Well, let's see if I could send you guys somewhere. Twitch peeps, and hopefully it will be someone that we know, or unfortunately, we'll see. Dang it. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Okay, peeps. No friends to raid to, so I will definitely send you guys to one of my favorite streams, passive streams of all time. It's called Ferret Software, and it's a ferret rescue, and the longer you stay there, the more support they will go towards the ferret rescue. So please stay around for the ferrets and enjoy them. As for everyone else, I hope thank you all for watching. My name is Kyera. I hope to see you guys tomorrow, because this is a 4-day thing. And take care, everyone. Hope you have a nice day. Goodbye now. And matane. Oh, I can't do the my keybinds are blocked today. Dang. Matane. Oh god, gosh though. I really wish that crash didn't happen in the middle of it. Kind of breaks the flow a bit, you know? Oh well. Oh yeah, I need to actually press start raid. But yes. Whoa.